This video is basically a cool. Now I am just telling you some secrets and some cool effects about wondershare Filmora. So if your device or equipment not supported the GoPro, or if you are using a mobile camera or a simple device which don't have a good lens, so you can easily add effects. So I just wanna add some cool effects like GoPro Hero and some other cameras like Sony and like Canon lens, wide angle lens and different lenses. So this is a cool trick. I simply import three videos here, and as you see that the angle of this video is simple and there is no wide angle and no other things about other lens. And now I wanna add some cool effects. Double right click on here and lens correction. Take this and select the video and select the model. So here are GoPro Hero 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and camera, Sony, Panasonic, and let's suppose I am choosing GoPro Hero 7. So my frames affected and let's see. So my frame is something different, and if I choose this one and if I choose Sony and let's make effect on this video, Sony, and so it makes a cool effect in your video, and my Sony lens is added in the video. And if I add lens correction in this video, so GoPro Hero 7, as you see that the edges of the video is sharp and zoomed because of the lens. And here are some modes of lens if I need a 4K ultra wide. So this is a lens, and we can simply edit this and adjust the level of wide. And if I am choosing a Sony camera, and there are two modes and GoPro Hero 3, so these are some effects of GoPro, and this feels like I am using a GoPro in my video, but this video is simple. I just captured in a simple camera. So you can add more wide things and other cool effects and like wide.